Hi, my name is David Green with expertvillage.com. Before we were agitating the carpet, we talked about products before. This is the sanitizer, and of course an optional service as well. With the sanitizer, you want to apply just a very even spray. It's not like the pre-treatment where we go heavier and lighter in some areas. This is a good, thorough, heavy spray, but obviously you don't want to over-soak it. Now this could have been done right after the pre-spray, and then we could have even agitated this in. It's not crucial. One of the things too, the steam cleaning process itself, because we're first jetting water in, that will even help work that sanitizer in even a little bit deeper. But like I said, it could be done. This sanitizer could go down before the agitation, or after, either way. And the way sanitizer works is it kills on contact. So it's not something that we leave in the carpet like a protector. This is something that we want to let us do its job, and then to remove it from the carpet.